train to Paddington. Next station, Custom House. Custom House. This is the train to Paddington. Next station, Canary Wharf.
The train on platform B is now ready to depart. Please mind the closing doors.
So welcome to Canary Wharf. This is one of the new Elizabeth Line stations. It's an incredible station. We've got some great people working here and we're just delighted that the line's open. It's going to really slash journey times across London. It's just great for the whole city. We've got new trains, air conditioned, smooth trains. In fact, there's one coming in behind me now, so you might not hear me for too much longer. But yeah, I mean, great triumph of teamwork. Most importantly, of course, it's here for customers, people that live in London and work in London and travel to London are going to benefit immensely from this new railway. And we've been working on getting the railway into service for many, many months, and finally it's here. The day's arrived. First day of customer service here at Canary Wharf Station, and it's a brilliant thing. We're all very pleased to be able to deliver this great new railway in London.
Thank you very much.
Is that all right? Thank you for that. Good luck. Take care.
Have a nice day.
Pardon?
We only have this much, so. Okay.